Hello you guys! Today I have received my newest little thing. This is a handy press. It's a tiny little iron and I am going to open it to see what it looks like once the packaging is removed and what it can do for me. Smaller than my hand. This is really cute. Perfect tool for sewing and crafts. Iron-on transfers, appliques, and travel. By the way, this little thing, save it. We'll be using it for some of our crafts later on. The cord is 8 feet long. That's pretty long, actually. And I don't see that it has a dial for different temperatures. To try it out, I made an instant ironing board. What I did is I wrapped a lot of layers of fabric around my wooden cutting board. And let me make it tight. I just plugged it in and I can already feel the heat. What I would like to do is to try it out with my brand new rags that I just received. They came in an envelope, they are folded, and so when I put them on the floor, they do not lay flat, and I want to make sure that they lay flat. But I'm afraid that if this gets too hot, it might ruin it. I don't know if these are made of nylon or what exactly they're made of. It didn't say. They don't have a label, so I have to be very careful. I'm going to try something that my mother used to do. I'm going to use a piece of fabric. I'm going to spray water on it. Now I can bring the carpet. And the humidity of this piece of fabric will transfer, and that way I don't run the risk of burning the carpet. It's hot, but it's not burning hot. I still see a little bit of creases right here. I believe that it worked. It took a little going back and forth, only because it doesn't get too hot, and this is the other one. It doesn't get hot enough that it sizzles, but eventually it will dry the fabric that is on top of my carpet. When I lay down the carpets before, they were laying down lifted in some areas, and now they are flat on the floor, so the people living in this house won't be tripping on them. So on that sense, the iron did what I wanted it to do. It worked. And now I can move the carpets to the rooms where they need to be set. The lighter one is going to be for my Downton Abbey living room. And it completes the room. The darker one will be set in my Downton Abbey dining room. Perfect. This room is darker, so that's why I chose for it to be here. And then it brings the room closer to being finished. Handy press. So let's see. The things that I liked about it, of course, that it's very small, very tiny. and it worked for the purpose that I wanted it. Things that I think could be better, I think that the cord should be coming out from the top because it kept dragging the fabric, and I would also like for it to have at least one more setting. It gets hot enough for my crafting projects, but it's not hot enough to travel with it. It wouldn't work for big garments, but it is really cute. So now you know how the handy press performed. Thank you for watching.